Hi everyone. So welcome back to another useful video. Who are looking for fresher job roles? Fresher job roles means here 0 to 2 years of experience can. Who are looking for full stack developer jobs and Python developer jobs and many more jobs are available. One of the top MNC companies hiring on various job roles, but especially I'm showing only who are helpful for development job role. So remaining job roles are you can watch it in the job link which I provide in the video description. Okay, so let me quickly show you what is that company. Okay, I have gone through their official website like a career page. So company name is Bright, guys. Okay, so Bright company is hiring multiple job roles like growth analyst. Okay, L&D specialist associate, senior illustrator. Okay, all are Bangalore location only, and you have to do work type is on site only, not remote. So here I'm going to show you development related jobs. So remaining jobs you can watch it whatever the match jobs for you. Okay, here full stack developer. So let me show you what are the main skills are required for this job role. Okay, qualification is bachelor degree in computer science, software engineering related field. Okay, solid experience in front end development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frameworks like such as React, Angular, Vue. Then what about back end programming language? Java, Python, or Node.js. Okay, strong understanding of web development principles, including RESTful APIs, caching, and performance optimization. Okay, so if you have these primary skills, then you can apply for the job, guys. Okay, experience is 0 years. That means a fresher job is one. So you will get around 10 lakhs per annum, guys. So once your profile shortlisted and you crack the interviews. Okay, so to apply for the job, just click on this apply now button here. Here, apply now button. Okay. So, or else, if you want to share this information to any social networking platform, then you can use this option. Okay. Now, let us see another job opening for Python developer job role, like a software engineer. So, there are number of jobs are there. You just check it out here. Only minimum 1 year or 2 years of experience. Only product analyst. Let me show you one more job also very important nowadays. The job opening is data analyst, guys. Data analyst minimum 1 year experience is required. Okay, if you have 1 year experience like Python and SQL and data science in model building and evaluation, okay, then added advantage, guys. Okay, proficiency in analyzing complex data sets to extract valuable insights and trends. A strong command of SQL for querying, manipulating, and extracting data from databases. Proficiency in programming language such as Python and SQL. Analyst job role, minimum 1 years of experience is required. Okay, and the next job is software engineer. This is like a Python developer job role, guys. Okay, you can see here. So bachelor degree in computer science and 1+ years of Django development experience. Experience in with CI/CD frameworks. Deployment experience with AWS, GCP, or JC. AWS, GCP, or Azure. Okay, so if you are good at like Python web developer job role and having knowledge on how to deploy with any cloud platform and on Jenkins tools, CI/CD frameworks, then added advantage. Okay, so like this, one full stack developer job and data analyst and Python developer job are available. So remaining jobs are you can check it out, guys. Whatever the matched one. So let's intern openings also available. Okay, who are matched this skill set, you can apply. Who are not matched, you can share these job openings to your into your social networking platform. It might be helpful for some others, guys, who are looking for jobs. So that's all, guys, for this session. If you want more latest updated information related to IT industry and job openings, okay, career guidance related videos, then follow our Bilekisar YouTube channel. And don't forget, hit the like button as well. So I will come back with one more useful information video. Thank you very much.